Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Vibhuti and I, along with my project partner Dave, will be presenting on an exciting topic that could transform the construction industry, which is autonomous construction vehicles or ACVs. Now I promise we won't make this feel like a lecture, so let's have some fun along the way as we dive into this fascinating topic. Let's kick things off by defining the problem. The construction industry is facing a significant labor shortage. In fact, according to the recent industry reports, about 80% of the construction firms are struggling to find skilled workers. That's right, 80%. It seems like everyone wants to be an influencer or a tech startup founder these days, instead of working in construction. This shortage is leading to increased product delays, escalating cost, and reduced productivity across the country. The labor force is aging and fewer young workers are joining the industry, which makes it difficult to keep up with the growing demand. The traditional methods of solving this problem, such as offering higher wages or relying on overtime, are proving to be unsustainable. Higher wages increase project costs, and overtime can lead to worker fatigue, which in turn reduces efficiency and increases safety risk. We need a more sustainable solution, and that's where our technology comes in. To tackle the labor shortage problem, we present autonomous construction vehicles. These are vehicles equipped with cutting-edge AI sensors and robotics to perform essential construction tasks without direct human intervention. Imagine a construction site where bulldozers, excavators, and material handlers work 24 by 7 without breaks, without coffee, and definitely without complaining about Mondays. This is the promise of ACVs. By automating repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, ACVs address the challenges posed by the labor shortage. They enhance productivity, reduce cost over the long term, and most importantly, improve safety by taking over hazardous tasks that would otherwise put human workers at risk. Now, let's look at how ACVs are applied in the real-world construction task. Here you can see an autonomous excavator at work, excavating soil and preparing the site with precision. This eliminates the need for manual operators who might otherwise face tough working conditions. Plus, no more backaches from long hours of digging. Next we have is the autonomous asphalt paver. Paving requires consistency and human operators are prone to fatigue and errors. This autonomous paver ensures a smooth, even layer, significantly reducing material waste. It's like icing a cake, but not on a much bigger scale. Let's move forward with the SWOT analysis. The main strengths of ACVs are increased safety, productivity, and cost efficiency. Since ACVs operate 24 by 7, they help reduce project timelines. They also enhance safety by taking over hazardous tasks, keeping workers out of harm's way. According to a recent study, ACVs can reduce the risk of workplace injury by up to 60%. That's a huge win for everyone. However, there are weaknesses to consider, such as the high initial investment required for ACVs and the technical expertise needed for maintenance. These machines are also limited in their ability to handle rapidly changing environments that require adaptive decision making. And let's not forget, even the most advanced robots have their off days. It's just that instead of needing a nap, they need a technician. There are significant opportunities as well. With the construction industry increasingly moving towards digital transformation, ACVs can integrate seamlessly with technologies like building information modeling, BIM, and drones for enhanced project management. They also present opportunities for large-scale infrastructure projects, where automation can lead to significant cost savings. Imagine a future where construction sites are like well-oiled machines with robots working in sync. That future is closer than you think. But there are threats. Economic downtowns could limit the adoption of high-cost technologies like ACVs. There is also competition from alternative technologies such as advanced robots in prefabrication and drones that could perform similar tasks. And of course, there's always that one guy who insists, if it's not broken, don't fix it. resistance to change is a real challenge. Now, let's compare ACVs with traditional construction approaches in terms of cost. The initial investment for an ACV ranges from 500,000 to 1.2 million depending on the type and the features. While this may seem high, it's important to consider the long-term savings. Labor costs for human operators can reach up to 80,000 per year per worker, whereas the operational cost of an ACV is significantly lower after the initial setup. In addition, ACVs offer increased operational efficiency, working 24 by 7 without fatigue, resulting in faster project completion and reduced material waste. Traditional approaches not only incur higher labor costs but also often suffer from delays and higher risk of human error, leading to further expenses. Studies show that ACVs can reduce overall project cost by up to 20%, which is a significant saving when you're talking about a multi-million dollar project. In conclusion, ACVs provide a multifaceted solution to the labor shortage problem by improving productivity, reducing cost, and enhancing safety. As technology continues to advance, we can expect ACVs to become a common sight on construction sites within the next 5 to 10 years. Companies like Caterpillar and Komatsu are already paving the way, and as cost decreases, the adoption of ACVs will likely accelerate, transforming the construction industry for the better. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to watch robots building skyscrapers while sipping their morning coffee? Thank you all for your attention. We believe that autonomous construction vehicles represent a significant step forward for the construction industry, one that can address the challenges we face today while opening new possibilities for the future. We'd be happy to take up any questions you may have, and remember, no question is too small. Unless you're about to ask me that robots are coming up for our jobs, yes, they are, but it's for the best.